$30 on Amazon can buy you a lot of garbage, or it can buy you 5 gadgets that actually work. I've done the digging so you don't waste your money. Here's the honest list. The Tycarve cleaning gel looks like a joke. It's bright orange slime in a tub. But I'm telling you, this stuff is magic. Your keyboard, your car vents, your phone speakers, your TV remote, all those tight little crevices where dust and crumbs live, this gel oozes into them, grabs everything, and peels out clean. I used it on my mechanical keyboard that I haven't cleaned in 2 years. The amount of gunk that came out was disgusting and satisfying at the same time. The gel is not sticky on your fingers, just on dirt. It's reusable until it turns dark gray. 1 tub lasts months. It's non-toxic, so no worries if kids or pets touch it. One honest piece of feedback. Don't use it on fabric or paper. It will leave a greasy residue. Also, if you press too hard, little bits can break off inside tight gaps. But for electronics and car interiors, this is a game changer. Stop using compressed air that just blows dust deeper. Poke this stuff in. For under $10, it's the weirdest purchase you'll love. Full link is in the description below. The Resqme is tiny, like smaller than a key, and it could save your life. This little orange tool has 2 jobs, breaking car windows and cutting seatbelts. The window punch is spring-loaded. You press it against the corner of a car window, and it shatters the glass into safety pebbles. No swinging a hammer, no kicking. I tested this on a junkyard car, and 1 press was all it took. The seatbelt cutter is a razor-sharp blade hidden inside a notch. It cuts through jammed seatbelts even if you're upside down or panicked. I clipped mine to my sun visor, but you can put it on your keychain. One honest piece of feedback. The spring mechanism is stiff at first. Test it once on a piece of cardboard so you understand the pressure needed. Don't test it on your own car window. Also, the window punch is single use. After you use it, the spring is spent. Buy another. But for $7? That's nothing for peace of mind. Get 1 for every car in your family. Link is waiting for you in the description. The JOTO Universal Waterproof Phone Pouch is for anyone who takes their phone near water. Beach, pool, kayaking, even just a rainy commute. This thing is IPX8 rated. Submerge it up to 100 feet for an hour, and your phone stays dry. I tested it by putting a tissue inside and dunking it in my sink for 30 minutes. The tissue came out bone dry. The touchscreen works through the clear plastic so you can still take photos and answer messages. It comes with a lanyard to wear around your neck or attached to your bag. The size fits even the biggest phones. Samsung S26 Ultra with a case on. One genuine piece of feedback. The case is not crystal clear out of the box. There's a slight haze that affects photo quality slightly. Also, the seal requires careful closing. Make sure no sand or hair gets in the zipper closure, or it will leak. For under $15, it's cheap insurance. Whether you're at the beach or just washing your car, this pouch saves you from a very expensive mistake. Full specs and the link are in the description below. The generic 6-pack magnetic cable organizer clips solve my cable mess in about 5 minutes. Here's why they work. Most cable clips use adhesive only. They fall off when the adhesive dries out or gets dusty. These clips use magnets. You stick a metal plate to your desk, wall, or nightstand, using the included 3M adhesive. Then the clip snaps onto the metal plate with a strong magnet. If the adhesive eventually fails, you just replace the metal plate, not the whole clip. The clip itself holds 1 to 3 cables depending on thickness. The rubber lining protects your cables and grips them tightly. I use these under my standing desk to route my monitor, cable, keyboard, and mouse cable. Now they're all tucked away and out of sight. I also put 1 on my nightstand for my phone charger and 1 on my car dashboard for my USB cable. The Mighty Patch Original is for anyone who gets pimples. That's everyone, right? These are hydrocolloid stickers that you put on a whitehead before bed. You wake up, peel it off, and the pimple is flat or completely gone. The science is simple. The patch absorbs the fluid from the pimple without drying out your skin or causing redness. No harsh chemicals, no burning. I've used these for years and they work better than any cream or a spot treatment. The patches are translucent, so you can barely see them. They stick well and stay on through tossing and turning. One box comes with 36 patches, which lasts months if you're an occasional breakout person. One honest piece of feedback, they only work on pimples that have come to a head. Deep cystic acne won't be affected. Also, don't put them on broken skin. It will hurt when you peel them off, but for whiteheads, these are genuinely magic. Under $20 for clear skin, that's a steal. Full link is waiting for you in the description below. That's 5 Amazon gadgets under $30 that aren't junk, from window breakers to pimple patches. At which one are you adding to your cart? Comment below, and don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go spend $30 wisely.